Homemade French fries. Ingredients: potato, salt, cooking oil. Method: (1) Cut the potatoes into sticks of equal size. 2. Soak the potatoes in water for about 30 minutes, then drain the water. Pat dry with paper. 3. Put oil in a deep fryer or deep pot. Heat the oil to 135 degrees Celsius. 4. When it's hot, it's done. Gradually add potatoes to fry for about 5 minutes, stirring from time to time. 5. Scoop up and drain the oil. Blot it with blotting paper set aside to cool completely. 6. Heat the oil again to 175 degrees Celsius. 7. When it's hot, add potatoes and fry again for 5 to 6 minutes or until golden brown. 8. Scoop up and drain the oil. Blot it with blotting paper, sprinkle with a pinch of salt and serve hot.